Hey you savvy shopper, are you looking for a free online shopping platform to buy your everyday essentials at reasonable prices? Then watch this video. Hi everyone, I'm Anna and welcome back to my channel Everything Enchanting. For this video, I have partnered with Cherries, a free online shopping app whose mission is to make shopping the little things in life fun. So today in this video, I'm going to share my shopping experience with them and also going to show you what's inside this huge box. But first, let me share some details about this shopping app.
Cherries is one of the well-known free online shopping apps for everyday essentials to seasonal items, home decor, personalized gifts in the UK. Their mission is to make shopping for the little things in life fun.
Now, this shopping app has a wide range of product categories. For example, it starts with new this week, then garden, summer, featured brands, food and drink, kitchen and dining, household, health and beauty, parties, seasonal deals and back in stock.
To shop with them, you first need to sign up and create an account on their app or website. Then log into your account and start browsing your essential products or whatever you like. This shopping app is pretty easy to use. The app interface is simple, slick, well designed and easy to navigate. It features popular global brands like Cadbury, Dove, Simple, Colgate, Kellogg's, Skinny Food, etc. Everything from lifestyle to food and drink, household cleaning items, kitchen and homewares are available both for kids and adults in this online shopping platform. So pick your favorite products and add them to the cart. Next, give your address and payment details and ta-da! You are done! Now simply wait for your parcel to arrive at your doorstep.
Now, we all like getting a good deal when we shop for goods and services, right? And the best part is Cherries app provides you maximum discounts and deals. So let me show you now what I got in this huge box.
Let's start with the category Stationery and Crafts. The first item is A5 ring-bound notebook and pen set.
Let me open it.
You all know I love cute products, and when I was browsing the stationery and craft category, this baby pink and white stripes notebook and pen set instantly caught my attention. This A5 ring-bound notebook comes with the same stripes design pen and the cover displays a motivational message.
All you got to do is believe.
The notebook quality is amazing. I'm going to write all my favorite positive quotes in this notebook and read them every day.
The next item is
Funny foamy face stickers.
from the brand The Box Crate.
Okay, don't laugh at me for buying this product please. I know I'm not a kid anymore and not a mother as well. But when I see stickers, I just can't control myself. I mean, look at these emoji stickers, how cute. The packet consists of 150 foam face stickers complete with a variety of facial expressions for every mood, color and size. I'm going to use these stickers as my product photography props and in my cute craft projects. The price is £1.50 only.
The next item, again craft item for the Box Crate glitter foam stickers, perfect for card making and photography, I believe, because I do product photography and I need such cute items, as props.
Yeah, I got another packet of foam stickers, but this one is glittery. The pack contains an assortment of shapes including flowers, hearts and stars in a variety of bright colors. The price is £1 only.
So I got these cute stickers, this one and the smiley one, both for my photography as well as craft projects. The next product is
Now let's move on to the beauty category. I picked
Insignia Party Time Luxury Shower Gel with tequila watermelon with lime extract.
this 500 ml bottle is huge and retails for only £1. I love shower gels and I picked this body wash just because of the scent, tequila and watermelon. The packaging looks beautiful too.
Insignia Shower Gel leaves your skin feeling refreshed and your senses feeling invigorated. Enjoy the unique fragrances which revitalize your body instantly.
The next skincare item is Nuage Oatmeal Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I needed a moisturizing body lotion for my dry body skin. So when I spotted this product on the app, I picked it because it is fragrance free and has the nourishing agent oatmeal. This is a 250 ml bottle and the price is 1.35 pounds. Both of these brands, Insignia and Nuage, are new to me, so I'm pretty excited to try out these products. The next items are from the household and homeware category. I got this pack of 2 round gel air fresheners infused with lavender scent. The price is £1 only.
The next item is Genso micro USB cable, high quality durable flat micro B to USB A cable for use with Samsung, Nokia, BlackBerry, Sony Android devices. So I got this for my Android phones and tablet.
It is priced £1.50 only.
The next item is a cute item, a storage unit.
Mini storage dryer unit in the shade red. Look at this cute storage unit. It features 4 compartments and easy pull handles. I keep buying functional storage units because I like to keep my rooms clutter free. I purchased this item specifically to store my small jewelry pieces like earring studs, scrunchies, rings, clips, etc. You can use it to store dry fruits or other small items as well. It comes in other shades too, but I chose red.
I thought it would be larger in size, but it's just the size of my palm.
The price is £2 only.
The next item is a huge one, kind of stamp. A tote storage box with lid. It comes in different colors too, and I picked the color blue. So let me open it and show you how it looks.
I'm one of those who loves to keep everything organized from educational items to home and office stuff. This canvas storage box comes with a lid and nifty handles and is available in other shades too. I'm going to use this box to store all my DVDs and photography props. I like that it's foldable. The price is £3.50 only. Finally, let's jump to the kitchenware category. The first item from this category is Easy Grip Can Opener in the shade Classic Grey. Okay, this one is for my husband.
Yeah, it comes in different colors, but I picked the color grey.
I broke our can opener, so I was looking to buy a new one. The price is £1.50 only.
The next item is an interesting one and cute too. This egg timer. Cook and Miller color changing egg timer. Cooks eggs exactly how you want them. Place the egg timer in the water when cooking. The color of the timer will change as the eggs cook. From the brand Cook and Miller.
I can't wait to give this product a try. The price is £1.50 only. The next item is Food Storage Bundle in the shade Grey.
This is the jumbo one, the biggest one, and here comes the partners. The other 2 containers are this size and this size.
As I said before, I keep buying storage units and containers to keep things organized all the time. This bundle consists of 4 containers, 1 jumbo, 1 large, 1 medium and 1 small size container. Price is £7 only. Cherries features several product bundles and sets and they are reasonably priced. Do not forget to check this out when you are shopping with Cherries. The next item is Easy Grip Food Grater and Container. Made from plastic and stainless steel, this 2-in-1 food container and grater acts both as an easy way to grate food and a container to keep it safe. It comes with easy grip handles and a lid for storage. I chose the color pink for it. The price is £2.50 only. The next interesting product is this
Easy Cook Cool Shave Refrigerator Deodorizer. instructions are given on the back of the packaging. Remove the top of the Cool Chef's hat by twisting counterclockwise. Add baking soda to the max line. Then replace the hat and twist to lock in place. Set indicator to the number of the month, that is Roman 4 is April, Roman 8 is August. Then place the Cool Chef dip in fridge to start absorbing orders. Orders should begin to reduce after just 24 hours. And then replace baking soda after 1 month or when orders return.
The moment I spotted this cute product, I knew I had to buy it. The product says, keep your fridge smelling fresh with the help of this Cool Chef. It is a reusable, chemical-free product. I'll start using it soon and update you about how it works, what the try or not, everything about it on my social media. Do not forget to check out my Instagram page. The price is £3 only. So these are the products I got from the UK's free online shopping app Cherries. As you can see, I tried to buy the essentials from most of their categories, if not all. I tried to find a few items today on their site again, but they all are out of stock. So if you like a product way too much, then get it soon. But if you couldn't get it on time, then no worries, they have a separate back in stock category option too. I noticed their household and cleaning section features a few eco-friendly cleaning products. I hope they add more eco-friendly products to this collection. I received my parcel within 2 days, so I'm really happy with their fast delivery service as well. The standard shipping fee is £3 and for the super fast delivery £6. Kindly remember that their minimum order amount limit is £10. Seriously, this Cherry shopping app is amazing for all kinds of goods at an affordable price. The product price ranges from £1 to £30, but some are even below £1. Besides, you can earn up to £500 if you invite friends. Check out their invite friends option for more info.
They have also kindly given me a discount code to share with you all. The code is enchanting20. Use this code and get 20% off on your first order on their app or website. I feel like Cherry's app is a one-stop source for the bargain hunters to shop the cherry-picked goodies from around the world and get their hands on the best deals. The app is really fast. They have various categories, have lots of products. I hope they add more products to their clothing and accessories category than health and beauty. So if you are looking for a free but good online shopping app in the UK, then you have to check out Cherries. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing and found this video informative and helpful. Have you tried Cherries app? Have you tried any of these products? Please share your experience with me in the comment section below. I'll come up with a new video soon. Until then, stay beautiful, stay healthy.